Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So this video today is on a 2007 Ford Galaxy with the 2-liter petrol engine. And I had this car about 2 weeks ago to do the brakes all round, brake pads and rotors. That's all done. That's not rocket science. I never recorded that. But today, well, it was to be done on the same day, but I ran out of time, which is to do the auxiliary belt and the tensioner. I think the guy did not brought me the idler, so we might gonna have to replace that while we have the belt off. I might have to go and purchase that. But yeah, basically it's to do the auxiliary belt. Now, what I'm going to show you is roughly how you do it, and yeah, just follow me through. Okay, so the auxiliary belt obviously runs the steering pump, AC compressor underneath, and goes all the way back to the alternator. And the best way to do it is remove the wheel. And right there you can see the tensioner. There is, and the idler is just a little bit above that. But from here we should be able to release the tension off the belt, remove the belt, and then obviously remove the tensioner, get to the idler and all that stuff. Just to give us a little bit more room, we're going to remove this cover, this wheel arch cover. So we're going to take it off. That should give us a little bit more room around here. Okay, I don't know how good the picture is going to be, but we should now be able to just remove the tension. There we go, and pull the belt out. So there we go. Gone. Should have done it differently. Go. Belt is removed. Just gonna take it off and take the tensioner and the idler. Okay, so the belt is out, and now we're gonna remove the idler. Sorry, the tensioner, which is held with these two bolts. We'll just remove these two bolts, and it should just literally come out. Okay, the tensioner is removed, the idler is also removed. The idler is right above the tensioner, is held with a 10 millimeter bolt, not rocket science. We have the new tensioner, but the guy did not brought me an idler, which we're gonna get one. I can't really see a lot of play with this. When it looks okay, it's not noisy or anything like that, but while we have everything out, for the sake of a few quid, we'll get it changed. So yeah, I'm gonna get one of this, and then we're just gonna start to put everything back on. Okay, and we have the new idler now. New idler, new tensioner, new belt. One information that I want to rectify, I believe I said at the start of the video this was a 2007 Ford Galaxy. That's wrong. It's a 2007. It is a Ford, but it's a S Max. So I do apologize for that wrong information. And yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just put all these back together. Sorry, we're going to put this in place and put the belt back on. Okay, and our new tensioner and pulley idler, sorry, is in place, or are in place. Just a small tip: if you want to do everything by the book, your torques for those bolts are around 23 Newton meters. All of them, these two and the one in the idler, so 23 Newton meters. And now we're going to put the belt. Okay, and the new belt is Now in place. Okay. As you can see, I've turned the engine by hand on the crankshaft pulley. I gave about 2 turns, just make sure the belt would align properly, and now we're gonna try to start the engine. Okay, I'm gonna start the engine. Everything looks good. Everything looks good, and that's it really. I'm just gonna put that wheel arch liner, put the wheel back on, and job done really. Now rocket science. I just thought I would share this with you, and that's it really. If you change the tensioner, I do advise you, if you do this job, I advise you to change the tensioner and the idler. Although the old one was look okay, but was already, you know, was already worn to a certain degree. It was not noisy or anything like that yet, but while you have your hands on this, for an extra 20 quid, might be better just do the lot. That's it guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you still have any questions, any comments, you know, put them below. And like always, thank you so much for watching.